Not bad.
All right, day number 2, starting the trail, and we have, I think, 15.6 miles to do today. Yeah, just left the campsite, Pine Bluffs. So now we get to see all the beautiful things. Day 2 is the one I'm excited about. It has like clifftop views and some gorgeous like coves you can see and waterfalls, all sorts of stuff. So stay tuned. All right. Oh, almost fell. All right. I just hit so many spider webs. They're in my eyelashes.
I know, that's where I was like, okay, I can't do it anymore. Let's do it. Just filtered a bunch of water. Now I feel like I can finally hydrate again. Yay!
Water? Water?
Water.
Water?
Yum!